Companion mode is designed for users who are joining a meeting from a conference room with other guests. It lets you join the meeting with a second device, like your phone or laptop, to give you access to your own personal controls, reactions, and chat. To join in Companion mode from a computer, click Use Companion mode on the Google Meet screen before you join. You can also go to g.co/companion and enter the meeting code or nickname, or select a scheduled meeting. In Companion mode, Meet will turn off your microphone and speakers on your personal device. This stops loud echoes or feedback in the room. You can still use emoji reactions, raise your hand, send messages, and participate in polls. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.